Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu. So let's press and hold the middle button. After a second or two, you should see the shortcuts menu. And in this menu, you should see the Do Not Disturb mode option. Select it. It should be selected by default, but you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the Do Not Disturb mode option. And now to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply press the middle button. The switch should flip on and the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And we can then press and hold the middle button to go back to watch face. You can see that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here on the watch face. Okay, and to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply press and hold the middle button again to open the shortcuts menu. Select the Do Not Disturb mode option and press the middle button to disable it like this, and then press and hold the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.